All right, everybody. Hope everybody's having a good Wednesday. I think it's Wednesday. In this video, I'm going to just check all the coolants. Came out to get the mail yesterday, and it was 26 degrees Fahrenheit. It's pretty breezy, but let's get started. Looks like the coolant in the Tahoe is good to about 6 degrees. That's okay. So the reservoir is showing that the coolant is right at the cold, which is where it should be. But I'm going to add a little bit of full strength up to the hot line, I think. That will mix through next time I drive the car. Well, I'm gonna fire everything up today and get it warmed up, and then that extra coolant will cycle through the system and give a little bit more protection, possibly down to about 5 degrees below zero. So a year ago I replaced the thermostat and did a bunch of work to the Silverado, and I replaced the coolant as well, and this coolant is different for this engine. Looks like our protection is good down to about 2 degrees above zero. So let me just write that down. Okay, now we're over at the 41. The coolant level is up. It's a little difficult to get to because there's a baffle right at the input to the radiator to help keep the coolant from being splashed out the dump tube. But it's up. I didn't pull enough in. Too much. So this coolant is a lot stronger than what's in the Tahoe. And we're looking on the blue scale. That's Fahrenheit. I'm good. The protection is good to minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit, which gives me a sigh of relief, because I don't want this engine to freeze and break. We all know how strong ice is. Okay. That's a good thing. We'll just take a look here. All right, so we're back in the shop. Not so much of a mess. I went ahead and did some straightening up, and you'll have to take my word for it, but you see that orange light on the battery charger for the camera. Just as I said what I said, let's take a look. The camera shut off, so we're back. Fresh charged battery. The Tahoe is warming up. I have to run a few errands after I do this maintenance check. Whew, I'm not used to this. I like it. Okay, so ooh, let's capture this. This is new to me, all of this ice and icicles. Got a buddy, friend of a friend, good guy. He has a sewing machine. Oh, I already talked about this. Well, let's look again anyway. So I installed the rear curtain. I have to bring this hemline where my finger is to here. So I have to cut off maybe 10 inches material in the back and make a new drawstring hem. Not a problem. So let's get the hood of the 42 open. Uh-oh. Can't get the hood latch. It seems to be full of ice. I'll be right back. All right. I'm going to hold the flame far enough away that it'll scorch the paint. Oh, I bubbled it on my side. Oh, crap. There we go. Didn't take much. Yeah, that one's frozen too. Perfect. Now I know the coolant level here on the 41 is a little low. I looked at it once before. Let me get the camera set up. Oh, it's not that bad. It is low. I will add to it. Ooh, this is much better. So again, we're looking at the blue line. You have to hold it vertically. We're good down to about 30 degrees negative Fahrenheit, which is good. I don't want to have this engine block break. First series GM 270. Yeah, I'll leave it where it is. The level is right up with the bottom of the inlet hose. This radiator does not have that baffle that I was talking about. Okay, we're good on the 42 as well. Okay, I'm going to call that a wrap. Thanks for watching.